I tried to get video of it, but it didn't pick up well. But y'all, the tunnel in this, oh, pops, crackles, roars, oh man, it's good, it's real good. I hit it around the turn and I'm like, I'm just gonna keep leaning into it and see if it goes. It's like, it just keeps pulling and going.
Yeah.
What?
Robert just smoked an armadillo back there.
What the heck just hit my car?
Oh, hey, there's something hanging under your car.
That turd hit it. Lovely.
What?
Let me see it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's something hanging under your car, Robert.
Oh! What the heck just hit my car?
That was terrifying.
Yeah, that was a good
You keep getting wide around that curve, and I didn't have anywhere to go.
Just go slow, very slow. There, that's the creek bed. Oh, Jesus, that was a big snake. Just keep going slow. Slowly, slow.
All right.
Big old moccasin down there.
Everybody, hold on. Oh, Jesus, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my goodness. AJ's trying to set a record for the track. Oh, Lordy. Oh, goodness, AJ. You to hurry.
It's gonna be such intense acceleration. There you go. Let me get my seat back up, Fritz. All right. We're gonna set a record. You gotta time us.
You gotta put your hands at 9 and 3.
And I'm throwing further. Yep. There you go.
You wanna experience something?
Yeah, we're gonna. Yes, let's do it.
Put your head in the headrest.
All right.
Floor it.
Ready?
Yep.
Slow it down, Fritz. Slow it down. You're going to ruin your rhythm.
Woo! That was good. So I just sold the other GT4 that we have. And this car is insanely good. Like, just ridiculous, guys. First reactions, Boxster Spider. Don't have any launch control. Nope.